Welcome to Junior's Big Questions, where I try to understand the adult world, one question at a time. I'm Junior. Today's big question is about alarm clocks. I'm talking to Washington. He works with technology and machines. Before we start, here are some cool words you'll want to know.
Wake. Alarm. Clock. Sounds.
So, Washington, why are alarm clocks so loud?
Hi, Junior. Alarm clocks are loud to wake us up. If they're quiet, we might not hear them.
But why can't they play relaxing sounds? A loud alarm clock feels so unpleasant, like a frying pan hitting my brain.
That's a funny way to say it, Junior. Loud sounds help your mind wake up faster. Quiet ones might not. Loud sounds help your mind wake up faster. Quiet ones might not.
But if my dad can fall asleep during a football game, wouldn't a loud alarm clock be useless for him?
That's true, Junior. Some people sleep so deeply that even loud alarm clocks seem to not work.
So maybe we need an alarm clock that hugs people awake. Wouldn't that be better than noise?
A hugging alarm clock? That's an interesting idea, Junior. It could be soft and fluffy, too.
See? I'm smarter than alarm clocks. Thanks, Washington. That's all for today on Junior's Big Questions. Stay curious and see you next time.